This video is to demonstrate how to print parent or guardian invitations from PowerSchool Learning or Haiku. First, you will access the course in which you are wanting to access parent invitations for. From your course dashboard, you're going to select Manage Class in the top right corner and select Edit Roster. From the roster, you have two ways in which you can print parent rosters or parent invitations. What you can do is first access each student. So Mrs. Maisie Marlin is a student within my Spanish 1 course. I can access the Manage option to the right of her name and select Print Invitation. Once I select Print Invitation, this opens up as a PDF. You can use this PDF and email it to the student. You can send it to the student by copying and pasting the information that's listed here into another document, but this is the information that you will send along to your families. Another way in which you can access parent invitations is by printing all parent invitations up here in the top portion of this course. So from here, I can select that print all parent invitations, and a PDF will open with all of the students listed with all of their information provided. Now keep in mind that the invitation is going to have a few pieces of information on it. And first, what it will include is the student's username. So I'll back up here. It'll include the student's username, as well as the parent invitation code. And then it also includes the link in which parents will access to sign up for this particular course. Please keep in mind that once a parent signs up to be attached to a student, that they have access to all other courses within Haiku or PowerSchool Learning. So whatever other course that Mrs. Marlin has, or any other teachers in which she has and she is attached to, her parent, once they sign up for my Spanish course, has the capability to view information or content in the other courses. Please feel free to reach out to any members of the technology team with any questions.